So, our gorgeous makeup brushes in a travel case, okay? So this is them, and they're double-ended, so there's 8 brushes. It's all you need for the perfect makeup, okay? Trust me, I'm a makeup artist. Right, so I'm just gonna go through them. So what we've got is, so you've got your case and you've got this net part here that you can put your little bits and bobs in and little magnets that close, so it's all nice like that. And this also comes in a gold sparkly case that matches the sparkly range, so you've got a couple of choices. So the brushes, you've got the bronzer brush here, and the other end you've got a cream blusher brush. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use those in a minute. You've got foundation brush and concealer brush. Okay, so I've tried to match them up so that they pair up well. And each brush is labelled, so you know exactly what to do with it. It says it on each brush. This one here is the eye brush, so you've got the eyelid blender, this one, and then you've got the socket line blender, 2 really important brushes. And then this is the brow brush and the multi-use brush, which is a brilliant brush that you can use for either a lip brush if you want that, or you can use it as an eyeliner or an under eye brush. Okay, so I'm not going to get that nice clean set dirty. I'm going to use my ones that I normally use and just show you what's what. So that's your bronzer brush, okay? That's your big bronzer brush that you buff all over your face, okay? Really soft. You can see how soft that is. This end is your cream blusher brush, okay? Now, the brush is shaped like that because it doesn't then, it kind of filters, the hair filters out at the end of the brush. It gets thinner, so it doesn't pick up too much product to make you look like Aunt Sally. So I love a cream blusher, of course. So you put it in your cream blusher and then you put it on the apples of your cheeks, okay? Like that. And it goes on just right, spreads on just right and blends perfectly. So that's that one. Your concealer is obviously, you know, that's your concealer brush. A nice flat one, gets in all those areas you can't get into with your fingers if you want to use a brush. And that's your concealer brush, which is a bit thinner and still as flat for patting on the concealer. We don't swipe concealer on, remember. The third one is the, hold on a minute, is my eye brush, okay? So this is your lid blender, which is the one that blends over the whole, it's slightly slanted, just slightly, so it slants over the whole eyelid, okay? This one goes over the whole eyelid, covers the whole eyelid in colour, and then you just flick round and you use the blender, which fits perfectly, we worked on this one for ages, fits perfectly in the socket line, which is where you blend is my friend, okay? So where we all do the blending, okay? So that's the one you use for your blending. And then you've got your brow brush, okay, which is like a slanted brow brush, which you use obviously for your brows, or you can use this for an eyeliner if you want to, puts a nice flick on the eyeline. And then you've got your multi-use brush, which is a brilliant brush because it's really tight, so you can use it as a lip brush, hence, you know, it pushes down flat. Or you could use it as an eyeliner if you want to put a nice eyeliner on. Use the tip of it to do a fine line, and as you go along, push the brush flatter and flatter to get thicker at the end. Or you can use it for some eyeshadow, which you can just push under here, and you can kind of get in those corners perfectly. So that is the brow kit. And what also comes with this, which everybody loves, is a card to tell you exactly what brush does what job. So there's no going wrong, okay? We're here to help you as much as we possibly can. And we hope you love them as much as we do. Okay, bye.